Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a spiritual retreat for 2 days after the Lok Sabha election campaign ends. He will visit Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu to meditate at the iconic Vivekananda Rock from May the 30th to June the 1st, when the last phase of polling will be underway. Modi will meditate at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, the same place where Swami Vivekananda meditated.
This is a mandapam of extreme value because it actually portrays the unity of India, and it is a mandapam where Swami Vivekananda earlier had come over, did his tapas meditation, and he envisioned a larger India, and this is where the Prime Minister is also expected to conduct his meditation. That is why security has been beefed up.
However, politics has now peaked over the Kanyakumari visit. This after the Tamil Nadu Congress said it would approach the Election Commission and police to stop this meditation. The Congress has called it a violation of the Election Code of Conduct. However, in a revised statement, there was no mention about the plea. The DMK in Tamil Nadu and the RJD in Bihar have also mocked Modi over what they call a religious poll stunt.
I don't know why this meditation is happening now. Really, when there is another phase of election pending on 1st, after that this announcement should have come. But before this the elections, he has made this announcement, means he wants the people to think that he is a Bhaktiman.
इतना गाली गलौज प्रधानमंत्री ने किया है ना, इतनी अपशब्द का इस्तेमाल किया है, मैंने कई उदाहरण दिए, अपने विपक्षियों को कहा मुजरा करते हैं, भैंस खोल लेगा, बिजली काट देगा, टोटी उखाड़ लेगा, उसके बाद उनको मेडिटेशन की सचमुच जरूरत है, लेकिन ध्यान का मतलब होता है ना कैमरा लेके मत जाइएगा प्रधानमंत्री जी.
The NDA, however, has lashed back at the opposition for opposing the Prime Minister's visit to Kanyakumari.
सनातन को बीमारी से जो लोग तुलना करते हों, ये लोग नहीं समझेंगे भाई अध्यात्म सनातन में कितनी शक्ति होती है. मेरे प्रधानमंत्री ने 2014 में भी चुनाव प्रचार की बात किया था, 2019 में भी उन्होंने किया था, और वो जाते हैं, ध्यान लगाते हैं, पर जो लोग शक्ति के विनाश की कल्पना करते हो, वो इन शक्तियों के प्रभाव को, उनकी सकारात्मक ऊर्जा को कभी नहीं समझ पाएंगे.
Prime Minister Modi has been undertaking spiritual journeys at the end of election campaigns for a while now. In 2019, he visited Kedarnath to meditate in its iconic caves.